Samo closed on the day 9.58% over the last 24 hours. The bulls were in charge today. After a 10% day, Samo managed to basically reclaim its gains, take out that daily SR that we were talking about, and we'll see what happens next. Currently, market cipher B is looking rather bullish. We still have some momentum to the upside, but bulls need to hold certain levels. So if you want to see what happens in Samo, or what I think is going to happen to Samo from a technical analysis standpoint, make sure to like and subscribe and continue to see our journey to $1 for your favorite Solana meme coin, Samoyedcoin. All right, let's get into the TA. But right now we're looking at the 3-day time frame, and the last 6 days outside of the current 3-day candle that we're about to close here in the next 22 hours have been looking really bullish. But we're at a really pivotal point right now for Samo, because if we don't create a higher high, this to me is beginning to look like a lower high, right? So you have your market structure, your high and your lower high. If that does happen, it's not going to be looking good for the bulls from a high time frame standpoint. The stochastic RSI is looking like we're at that 50 level. There's always a chance that we do get a reversal here, and that's one thing I do want to point out. If the bulls manage to keep certain levels, and once we zoom into the 4-hour, we're going to be able to understand that better. And again, market cipher B is still in that green, which is great from a 3-day time frame standpoint, and that VWAP wave is starting to curve back towards that zero. If we can get a green print over the next 22 hours before this close, it's possible that the bulls can take over and send us to that 0.5 1 cent psychological level that we've been struggling to get back towards. Let's go to the daily time frame. So that daily time frame, what's really holding me here is that the momentum, the volume that the market cipher B indicator has is increasing in the green, which is really good. That's what you really want to see in an uptrending market. The momentum indicator that I have is holding us tight, right? But again, we did come up, like I said in yesterday's video, we came up, tagged this daily SR, and now we closed below it, which that gives me mixed feelings, honestly. I don't really think that that's a good sign. However, I'm not going to give up hope just yet. Stochastic RSI, again, towards that 50, could turn into a reversal to the downside. Again, once you zoom in, you're getting more of an idea as to how things are going to look. Now, back to the 4-hour. Again, in yesterday's video, we mapped out this line here. We were chilling right about here, and this line was yellow. We were chilling right here, wondering what's going to happen next. And look what happened. We came out, took the liquidity from the daily SR, and now we are rejecting off of it, it seems. One thing that I also want to point out, if you take my monthly 12 and 21 levels, this is roughly the mid-range, right? So nothing to be crazy bullish about just yet. Price action could technically come all the way back down to the monthly 12 and 21.006 level and still have a chance at going back up. However, we do ultimately want to see this trend line held and my momentum indicator held as well. Now, we also have Monday's range keeping us here, right? So Monday's range high, Monday's range low in confluence with the mid-range and the daily SR. There's a chance that we come back down here. If we do come back down this area right here where we consolidated for a little bit, this was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 20 hours worth of consolidation here where price action just chilled. We could come back, mount it before another leg up, something like this, right? This is exactly what all the bulls want to see. You get above this daily SR, this mid-range Monday's high, there's a good chance that we have a lot of bullish momentum coming. Now, what does market cipher B say? Market cipher B, honestly, not that great. Last time we were up here, we did a 13% move down. That was the other day where that Sunday we pumped, Monday we dumped, and then we basically reclaimed. We reclaimed all that over the last 24 hours, roughly. The fact that we didn't close above the daily SR is telling to me that the bulls are losing. They're kind of slowing down a little bit. I don't like seeing that. Stochastic RSI, again, forming at that 50 level, we could get a reversal. And as long as we hold this trend line, there's hope that the bulls can still hold this. But if we get a break of this, to me, it becomes more likely that we're going to ping pong between this mid-range and here. Now, ultimately, if we do lose this 12 and 21 level, then that's just not a good sign for the bulls at all. We really want to get above the daily SR at 0.008. Obviously, this It's beginning to look like a double top, but again, still hopeful as long as this trend line holds. That is how I'm seeing Samoyedcoin. If you like these daily Samoyedcoin videos, make sure to like and subscribe. I'm going to be doing TA on Samoyedcoin daily until Samoyedcoin hits $1, because honestly, in my opinion, Samoyedcoin has the chance, a high probability chance of getting to $1 and minting millionaires across the cryptoverse. So I'll see you in tomorrow's video. This is Cali Ventures, and my name is Dennis. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.